How you feel? Good. Good.
Let's have a little fun, huh?
I like having fun.
That's what it's about.
I like to keep it loose.
Yeah, that's it. That's what we do. Have fun. Have fun, fellas. Have fun. Let's go, baby. Have some fun.
Woo! 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 What a day! Look at this! Look at this day the Lord gave us!
Let's go today, baby. What we got? Let's believe the whole day, all right, man? Guys always got a plan. Let's do it, baby.
I'm feeling it right now, man. I can put this ball anywhere.
He don't pay attention.
Can't have that. Foremost. Gotta be perfect.
Hey, work on your throws right now. Not at this damn goal post. I can't believe that. What happened? I love that they're all staring at it like, oh, guys, what do you think? Thinking to blow back the other way or no?
Hey, don't be afraid to talk today if you feel like talking, you know?
Let's talk out here.
Everybody talk!
Testing, testing, 1, 2.
I can hear you.
Hey, appreciate that.
Oh, there we go. Good morning. Good morning, Jay.
Hey, don't knock yourself out. What the f are you doing, man?
All right, we got double motion here. It's gonna be east, right, flop, V right, all the way outside, Y left, fake 396 bag, V hinge, Z puck. Is that long enough for you?
What is that? What? Now you said what?
Hey, you guys, what you doing?
Where am I?
Right there, H flat.
Right here?
Yeah.
Hey, which side? Which side?
What the heck?
Yeah, watch it. Watch it.
It's not right.
Why we always gotta do this? Side. Figure it out, man.
Someone's playing a joke on me or something. I got no 102. I got no 102, no 103.
Do I get 25? I would love 40. 30, 30, 30, 20, 20, 20, 20.
Green, 20 seconds.
Fitz drops back to throw, fires into the end zone, it is caught. Touchdown!
He's back to throw, looks, fires, and it is to Sean Jackson. Touchdown!
Come on!
Let's go!
Hasselbeck looking, firing man is wide open.
Touchdown! We go!
Snap to Brady. Looks left, fires left.
Got a wide open receiver, and it's Fasano with the 5. Touchdown, Miami!
Hey, that 6 was easy. Great play. Great play.
That celebrating is the most tired I've ever been.
Yeah, I know. I started celebrating before the ball even left my hand hardly. I threw it, I was like, woo.
He's wide open. I mean, how hard is it?
We ain't got in our groove yet. When we get in our groove, we gonna take over. Still a long game, fellas. We do our job, man. Still a long game now. What personnel? We don't know. Regular. Denver. Bronco. Tokyo. Toyota.
Bucks, Chargers. Hey, Dallas. Cowboys. Boston.
Alert! Panther!
What is it?
Here's the read option. Newton will take it up the middle. 40. Cuts to the right. 30. To the 20. To the 15. To the 10. End zone. Touchdown! Cam Newton!
319.
Rodgers takes bump fakes. Now opens up. Red Sea for Moses. Rodgers end zone. Touchdown!
That's like it.
A long run was my fault. Damn, Pat, that's my fault, man.
I can be a lot better. We'll get it.
Don't feel sorry for yourself. Come on, we still got to kick.
I will not miss any tackles today. I cannot miss any tackles today.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, come on!
Come on, man.
Come on, man. What is that?
Tebow takes the snap, sets up the screen, and throws the bubble screen right. That's the block. That's Mike Wallace inside a man. Down to the 5. He's down to the goal line. Touchdown, Pittsburgh!
Come on, D, baby. You got to get off the field, man. Come on.
Hey, you do know we playing football out here where you tackle people.
Blue 30.
No, sir. Hey, just so you know, that's how you hit someone.
Hey, Mr. Rupp. Mr. Rupp. After the game, can I get your hat?
I got it. You know what? That's an interesting question. Yeah, I'll give it to you.
Appreciate that, man.
Well, in the tunnel.
All right.
Back it up.
The ref gonna give me his hat. I asked him for his hat. No, bro.
Well, that should be game, probably, huh? Should be.
They got the pressure on them. How they gonna respond? I don't know.
Guess what? You're about to go catch the game winner here in a minute. The only chance they have is to get an onside kick.
Get ready, it's onside kick. I don't want to put my helmet on yet. It might, but just get ready.
No big deal. Just makes it closer for a little bit longer, man. You're about to go catch the game winner. And then you'll be the hero of the game.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Go ahead. Rayner tees it up, kicks the onside, it is bobbled, it is loose.
Chargers have it.
Yes.
They pull off the onside kick.
Yeah, that's ours. That's what we needed. I'm about to make it happen. I'm about to go make it happen.
I told you, Tebow.
You came from heaven to earth to show the way.
Hey! Huddle up!
Championship play right here, fellas. About to score a touchdown right here.
This is it, boys. This is it. Let's do it.
We always do it. We'll be all right.
Green 30.
The snap, Fitz, looks, fires wide open, ends up. Touchdown, Buffalo! I can't believe it!
Listen to that.
Dalton takes the shotgun snap, throws it toward the end zone. It is caught! Touchdown, Bengals!
Yes, sir.
Vick is back. He is going to run. He bumps into a blocker.
Now in trouble, now throws on the run.
Breeze, play action. Scampers to his right. Looks, good run with it. Stops now, throws. Rivers looking long. Stafford throws deep. Rainbow deep down the middle. Downfield for Henderson. He's got it in stride. Touchdown.
Good night. Good night to all. Never give up, right? Yes, you don't know that thing's coming.
Way to believe, baby. Way to believe. It's all about you. Gotta believe every day.
That's a fun one there, huh? Yeah. We made plays when we needed to. Big time today. I love this. Don't y'all know I love this? You look good too, by the way. All right, man.